Hello guys, I'm Nona Prince and the trailer for the second installment of Amazon's Breathe is out and this is called Breathe Into the Shadows. Starring Abhishek Bachchan, Amit Saad and Nitya Menon. Created and directed by Mayank Sharma, he did the season 1 too. My review for season 1 is out, you can check it out. Remember it's an old video so don't judge me. Now I remember for season 1 I had mixed feelings but more positives and it was one of the first Indian web series coming out on Amazon. And that time the landscape for Indian web series was really different. It was still new. And being one of the first, they did really well. It was a good effort. But now that the second installment is coming out, the things have changed. We have got a lot of shows. Netflix entered into the game with Sacred Games and a lot of shows. We just had Patal Lok, Mirzapur, Family Man. So the bar has risen and they have to up their game to stand out. Releasing on 10th July, let's have a look. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I do movie reviews, video essays and podcasts too. So do check out the channel and if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing. So guys, just before we start, if you enjoy this video, do hit that like button because when you do it, YouTube promotes this video and more people can watch it. Thank you. A teaser for a trailer? Missing.
अभी सिया वापस आएगी ना?
It's been 3 months.
Okay.
Usually kidnappings में पहले 48 hours में contact हो जाता है. Sia's gone.
Okay.
डॉक्टर अविनाश, अगर आप सिया को वापस चाहते हैं तो आपसे पैसे नहीं कुछ और मांगूंगा। आपको इन्हें मरना होगा, लेकिन इनके मरने की वजह वासना और क्रोध था।
I don't understand these weird mind games he's playing.
Psychiatrist हूँ और एक psychiatrist से better mind games. कौन समझ
Okay,
सकता है?
okay. Very different from the first one, but still something similar.
Anger and lust, there has to be some sort of link.
Well shot, really well shot.
जिसने भी ये किया है बहुत सही प्लानिंग की।
पुलिस कभी भी क्लोजिंग कर सकती है. मुझे इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन का हिस्सा बनना पड़ेगा.
How can you help us, Doc?
I may know who the killer is.
Okay.
He's not going to stop. अब तक हमें सिया के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. Time is running out.
Beautifully shot, yaar. Must say.
The killer knew both of them.
Oh, he's back.
The more I study this, the more I'm convinced कि ये बस random choosings है.
He's trying to divert the
Textbook
police.
serial murders.
हो सकता है ऐसा ना भी हो.
Pretty. Okay. This was
जब तुम मुझे
interesting.
देखोगे आबा, what will you see? A father or a murderer?
Man who did all he could to save his family.
Okay. 10th July coming. That was interesting. They've definitely upped their game. You can see they got more budget after the success of the first one. So this time it's about serial killer. But again, it's connected to the family. The emotions will be high like the first one. So we have a mass serial killer, but he's not killing. He's making these guys kill so they get their daughter back. And I'm sure there'll be twists and turns throughout the show. Maybe one of the main lead is the villain. Who knows? But definitely it looks like it will be very thrilling and will be a good watch. Do let me know in the comments if you want a review when it comes out. I think one constant theme that they talked about in the first one too, and they are talking about this, is that when you look at me, do you think I'm a father or a killer? And I think it was similar in the first series too. To what length will you go to protect your family and your children? That theme was also in Drishyam film. The original was Malayalam and the Ajay Devgan one in Hindi. I remember one of the highlights for the first installment was the editing. I just loved it. It was so well done and it connected all the storylines very well. To get that shock, to get the twist well, the editing has to be on point. Because there's a saying, whatever you're making a movie or a TV show, you make it twice. Once when you're scripting it, and the next time when you're editing it. Because in edit you can change everything, you can make it non-linear, you can do million of things there. So that's why it said that in editing the film is made again or the series is made again. And especially in series, because you need to have some cliffhanger in every episode so it becomes bingeable and you just want to watch it and finish it to keep us audience hooked. The performances look solid from the trailer. I remember in the first season I had some complaints with some minor characters which really didn't do well, but I'm sure that would have been improved in this season. And there'll be two cat and mouse games going on, one with the kidnapper and the father, and then the other with the father and the police, all of them deceiving each other, and that would be really fun to watch. Really looking forward to this. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, share this video, and let me know in the comments your thoughts on the trailer. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, check out the video. Then if you like them too, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Stay home, stay safe.